Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation brought to you by OpenUp. Today we're focusing on the acceptance of loss. And by acceptance, we don't mean forgetting or not feeling for it anymore. We mean acknowledging and validating the grief. This could be related to any loss. The loss of a loved one, a job, your health, or even the loss of a part of your identity as maybe you transition into new stages of your life. Loss can be a shock for our system. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by it. Many instinctively suppress the powerful emotions associated with grief just to avoid the pain. Others may find themselves trapped in a cycle of negative self-dialogue. Grieving is a challenging process that we all face at different times in our lives. Please remember you are not alone. During this session, we will take a step back from all that thinking and impulses to suppress emotions, to create a space for your mind and body to release what they need in order to heal. If it ever feels too overwhelming, know that you are in control. You can pause the audio and return any other moment. Grieving is a personal journey. It's different for everyone, and it's important to listen to your own needs. So, let's begin. I invite you to find a comfortable sitting position. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable right now, or maybe keeping a soft and wide gaze. Taking a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the present moment. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale either through the nose or mouth. Now I invite you to gently go back to your regular breath, just allowing it to its natural rhythm. Gently bring your attention to your inner space. Recognize what is present. What feelings, thoughts, or emotions are arising. Give yourself permission to allow whatever it is, without forcing anything. There is no good or bad. It simply is. If you notice you are engaging with certain thoughts, gently take a step back from them and return your attention to the present moment and what is now, coming back to your observant role. And I invite you to label what you feel, whatever it is. Sadness, anger, frustration, or tenderness. There is no good or bad. We don't judge it, we just give it a name. Labeling our emotions can comfort our nervous system and help us process what we feel. Hold on to this practice a bit more. Focus on what you're experiencing, and if you can, label it. You are doing great. Gently bring your attention to your body now. You can scan it mentally, from your head to your toes. And observe. Where, if you felt any, do you feel those emotions you were naming? Simply notice it. Don't try to change anything. Give yourself the space to feel and process, and if you're not feeling much, that is also okay. Don't force anything. Just allow it. And now I invite you to find a way to comfort yourself. You can ask yourself, what do I need now? Maybe it's to give yourself a hug or allow yourself to cry. Or maybe a warm shower or bath after this meditation. Maybe it's punching a pillow or doing some physical exercise. It's okay if this is difficult. It's absolutely okay if you need to do this meditation multiple times. It's also okay if you seek professional help. What you are doing now is a brave step in your journey to better well-being. Thank you for taking this time for yourself to acknowledge and accept your loss. Take care, and we hope to see you in another meditation practice by OpenUp.